Yeah, the network is that much slow that it will be people will be there, but we'll get to know pretty late.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so this is like almost 1 year. After 1 year, we are
After
meeting.
a year, yeah, almost
Okay.
a year, yeah.
And thank you so much again.
हाँ,
You have been
thank
so
you.
humble. आप हमें टाइम दे देते हैं बार बार
हाँ,
स्कूल लाइफ
हाँ,
कॉलेज लाइफ वालों को. एंड हमारा देखो इस बार हम खुद का भी प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं.
Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't see it only.
थोड़ा हमने भी अपडेट किया है.
Oh, nice.
Being 1 year.
Congratulations.
So we are live with the
हाँ.
connection. So ma'am, this is specially हमने किया because fans उस लाइव के अगले दिन से बोला था फिर से लाइव लेके आओ.
अच्छा.
तो मैंने बोला
Because
मैं-
actually the thing is that मैं Instagram पे इतनी live नहीं होती हूँ.
जी.
So that's the reason.
So first is like why don't you come live with the Star Plus page? That is also a question because earlier you used to come by Sony page almost.
Oh yeah, because Sony PR team had this जहाँ वो मतलब दो बातें दिया से करना चाहते थे मतलब और वो सभी लोग दिया से वो दो बातें करवाना भी चाहते थे but Star PR I don't think they have anything as such. I don't think they have anything about going live and talking to their fans. So it's not a decision that I took even back then or I can take now. It's a channel decision. Different channels,
Okay.
different thinking.
So we are fine now and we are-
साहिबा खान हाय बोल रहे हैं.
Hi.
Okay, so मेरे पास देखिए आप भर भर के क्वेश्चंस हैं एंड मैं कुछ भी अपने साइड से इस बार नहीं लूँगा. So this is specially for the fans. So I'll
Okay.
take that quickly जितना हमारे पास टाइम.
Yeah,
Okay,
correct.
so Naira, she says, hello Tejasvi ma'am, I'm your big fan. I love you so much, and I want to ask you, who is your favorite actor and actress from small screen?
Favorite actor and actress? I don't have any favorite actor. I don't think I like any guy from the industry. Yeah, no, I don't think so. Actress, I really think I like Sritija. I think she's
Okay.
very nice. She's doing Pragya in Kumkum Bhagya. Obviously, #1 show ही है. मुझे
Yeah.
किसी को बताने की जरूरत नहीं. So Shriti is not only like a good actor, she's a brilliant person also.
Okay.
बहुत अच्छी इंसान भी है.
Okay, great to know that. And I think काफी लोग सोच रहे होंगे where is Karan? आशिम जी का है. Urvi is here with us. So
अब कर्ण संगिनी जब है तो कर्ण हो या ना हो क्या फर्क
वो
पड़ता
युद्ध
है.
करने वो एक्चुअली युद्ध करने निकल के आज.
कर्ण और अर्जुन आपस में लगे रहेंगे. आप फोकस कर्ण संगिनी पे रखिए.
तो जितने भी फैंस हैं वैसे भी they want to see the real heart and beauty of तेजस्वी प्रकाश. So he is live with us. So उससे बड़ी बात और क्या है?
लविंग रूबी.
Ruby Singh.
गंगा चौधरी सिंह.
Oh,
लविंग रूबी.
thank you. Oh, you are loving Urvi.
Mm.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, so Ahmed says, like we are really loving your chemistry, Ashim and this Urvi.
Okay.
So when Ashim, like Karan will come to know that you're secretly liking him as
Excuse me.
Oh, so very.
साहिबा खान said.
like wait. Yeah.
So that will be very very soon क्योंकि जैसे कि आप जानते हैं हम लोग शो को बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो वी आर पेसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स और ज़्यादा आपको इंतज़ार करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. बहुत जल्द कर्ण को पता चल जाएगा दैट आई लाइक कर्ण और मैं बस उम्मीद यही करूँगी कि कर्ण भी मुझे पसंद करे. आई थिंक ये मेरी हर शो की कहानी है.
I hope real life में ऐसा नहीं है. People you must be approaching you.
रियल लाइफ में ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Okay, so Ananya says, hello Teju, I'm your very big fan and
No,
she.
you had a comment there.
Yeah, right. Is it?
साहिबा खान said. तेजू क्या आसिम सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा जैसे दिखते हैं?
सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा मैंने आई हैव नेवर थॉट ऑफ आशिम कि वो किसी की तरह दिखता है. बट मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला है कि वो सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा जैसा दिखता है. एंड देन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल थॉट दैट आशिम वाज इन आशिकी 2. So now saying that person, no, that's another, that's like completely different. That's Aditya Roy Kapoor. So like
Okay.
he's confusing a lot of people. हाँ.
Okay.
Like but बहुत लोगों ने ऐसे बोला है. I don't know. I
So
don't
he's
know.
a mixture of both.
I think he's a mixture. I don't think he's a mixture of anything. People think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So she's from Turkey, Ananya, and would you like to work with Zayn Imam in the future?
Who wouldn't? He's so good looking.
Okay.
Like, yeah. 1 second. Who? One second. Zain Imam. I don't know Zain Imam. I think I just said that I was Zain Malik.
See, here
Are you guys talking? Is that the same Zain from like?
Zayn Imam. I
I
think
don't know who's
Agni
Zayn
Fera.
Imam.
Agni Fera.
Is it? No, then I don't know Zain. Like I'm sorry. I
It's okay,
don't
it's
know.
okay.
तो मुझे नहीं पता है कि वो मतलब मैं काम करना चाहूंगी या नहीं. I don't know. Sorry, because I don't know who. मतलब-
Okay, we have last 5 minutes, I hope. So
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
take
sure.
it quickly.
Yeah, we have 5.
So, Akhila, she says like, I think recently you visited Hyderabad to your cousin. Is it
Yes,
that?
yes, yes,
So
yes.
she wants to meet you again. So when you are planning to go back to Hyderabad again?
To Hyderabad, I don't think anytime soon, to be very honest, because अभी तो शो चल रहा है and like you know it's a mythological show Monday to Friday तो बहुत hectic होता है. तो अभी तो मतलब बहुत टाइम.
Okay. Deepika Malhotra is asking, how is your experience working with Ashim?
The experience is very nice. He's a very nice actor, very nice person, and he's a lot of fun. और हाँ बहुत मस्ती में काम और दिन कट जाता है.
Okay, so Karn Sangini Squad, they have one Insta page.
Okay.
Yes. Why don't you come on Instagram like live?
Live. See, that's exactly what I told you कि बहुत सारे लोगों को like मेरे जो मैं otherwise live sessions करती हूँ पसंद आते हैं क्योंकि मैं otherwise live कभी नहीं जाती हूँ. I am a very private person और बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत गलत तरीके से भी लिया है. But I can't answer it. Like this is how I am, and I'm not going to change because of anybody. Like my family loves me the way I am, my friends love me the way I am, my God loves me the way I am, and my fans love me the way I am.
Yeah.
So I don't think I'll change. Yeah.
Okay. And any plans to
Last.
visit Arab country, any Arab country? Like,
So I will be visiting Dubai soon. I will be because Dubai I used to do twice a year because I was a resident of the UAE. And it's been so long कि मैं दुबई गई नहीं हूँ और हमेशा जब आप जाते हो तो एक नई बिल्डिंग वहाँ पर होती है ना. लाइक यू नो इतनी तेज बिल्डिंग कैसे बनाते हैं. सो अभी आई डोंट नो कितनी सारी चेंजेस हुए होंगे. आई रियली मिस दुबई एंड सो बहुत मतलब जब भी मुझे लंबी छुट्टी मिलेगी आई थिंक द फर्स्ट प्लेस आई विल बी गोइंग टू इज दुबई.
Okay, last one. Teju is love. Teju is love. So what was the first impression you had about each other, Ashim and you, that you are gonna
I
play
thought
up?
Ashim was so hyper.
Okay.
Like I am very hyper as a person, and I've really changed myself on this show because a lot of people take your hyper, overexcited behavior as like कि ये मतलब ये इतनी कुछ एक्साइटमेंट वाली चीज भी नहीं थी तो ये इतना एक्साइटेड है तो मतलब ये फेक कर रही है क्या. बिकॉज एक्चुअली कोई एक्साइटिंग चीज नहीं होती थी पर मैं जिंदगी में इतनी एक्साइटेड ही हूँ. बट दिस शो आई रियली चेंज्ड माई सेल्फ. आई रियली स्टार्टेड यू नो कीपिंग डिस्टेंस from everybody. I'm a very sober, alone person. I stay alone. I read my books. और अभी मैं उतनी hyper नहीं रहती जितने मैं set पे otherwise रहती थी. So he's actually more hyper than me. He's very talkative. He cracks stupid jokes and like he's just, that is my first impression. I'm like he कितना hyper है. Like I'm a hyper person, and which is why I like a guy being subtle, quiet, and intense. But he's like a boy version of me.
Okay, by the time he'll come, I'll ask one more. Ferry, Teja Walik, how you guys manage to be so calm and composed even after shooting for such long hours, and what keeps you motivated?
सच्ची कहूँ तो आप जब 13 घंटे दिन में काम करते हैं तो आप में काम वाली ही मतलब CALM कामनेस मतलब काम वाली ही भावना ही रहती है क्योंकि आप में गुस्सा करने की या झगड़े करने की या हाइपर होने की ताकत ही नहीं बचती बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे. सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई वी गाइस आर सो काम. बट अदरवाइज बिकॉज यू मुझे लगता है कि आप जो जॉब करते हो जो आपको पसंद है तो आई डोंट थिंक इट बिकम्स दैट फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग. इट इज अ लिटिल टायरिंग बट या इट्स नॉट फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग एंड एवर.
Okay, Ganga Tejasvi wants to know, till now from this show, which is your favorite line of dialogue? Any favorite line of?
From this show, I most of the times liked my dialogues from the promos only.
Okay.
Which is why like a lot of people told me कि हाँ तेरा promo देखा and I saw कि साथी बन सकती हूँ तुम्हारी, जीवन साथी नहीं. So like that, I think I really like that line.
Okay, so there is one request. Okay, Dipankar Desh, he says that I love your chemistry with Karan.
Okay.
And this IG page Temeng2 request, can you please sing a song for your fans?
I can't. I really don't have the strength right now. But I'll do some story very soon where I'm just singing and posting, because every interview people ask me to sing.
Okay.
So I'll just put up a story where I'm singing some
Okay,
song.
so before like commencing this show, how much training and हिंदी आपको काफी इसमें शुद्ध बोलना
नहीं,
पड़ा?
ऑनेस्टली मुझे हर शो में हिंदी बहुत ज़्यादा बोलनी पड़ी, बट इसमें थोड़ा लैंग्वेज शुद्ध ज़्यादा था. बट देन बिकॉज उर्वी इज़ अ फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर और किसी को नहीं पता कि उर्वी कैसी थी, सो आई डोंट स्पीक दैट प्योर हिंदी, बिकॉज आई रियली वांट कि हर एक जनरेशन मुझे समझे. तो ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हिंदी शायद लोग नहीं समझेंगे. एंड लाइक मुझे जो लोग पसंद करते हैं वो सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं है, वो बाहर भी है. तो यू नो आई डोंट वांट इट टू बी वेरी टफ फॉर पीपल हु आर नॉट वेरी गुड विद हिंदी. कि मतलब आपको थोड़ी बेसिक भी हिंदी पता हो कि अगर, तो you will know what I'm saying.
Okay.
That should be always the motive.
Yeah,
That should
please,
always
please,
be.
please.
Fati Tejaswi said, "Tell about your Marathi movie."
I can't. I don't even know what you're talking about.
I
Sorry.
hope.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
I'm gonna
I
have
think
to go.
so. Thank you so much for it.
Thank you. I have to say bye like this in a hurry. I'm so
Yeah,
sorry.
it's okay.
But it was lovely chatting with you guys.
We'll be live again soon.
Okay,
We'll
I will be live again soon.
Okay.
Bye.